And welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin with a little bit of upside today, around 77.30 today. The idea is still that Litecoin could be in this wave 4 correction currently after it topped in a third wave on the 16th of February. We have an A, B, C pattern already probably complete. This could now be the D wave of the triangle. We're going to talk about possible targets in this video. And then an E wave to the downside could make a higher low. As long as it stays in the range here, this wave count is likely and reasonable to assume. We have a situation here that we have a possible Elliott Wave triangle. That's typically a 5-wave move, which is valid as long as price doesn't break below 65.77. Against this level, the focus can be on higher. But of course, it already broke this swing low on the 8th of May. Well, it broke it later, but the swing low that was made on the 8th of May was broken recently, which already extended the triangle, which in the end made the triangle, in my opinion, a little bit less likely, but it's still a valid Elliott Wave triangle count. But I'd like to see the D wave now, and then an E wave to the downside, and then ideally it is going to break to the upside, but only if the 65.77 level is holding. And again, ideally, it doesn't even break below the last swing low, which was here at $70.80, because this is now the third wave of the triangle, the low, which was sitting here before. Yeah, but unfortunately, with that new low, it invalidated the triangle. So in a contracting triangle like what this one could be, we need to see lower highs and higher lows. So the advantage of Elliott Wave is it gives us a very clear invalidation point here for the triangle. And if we get that thing invalidated, then it is very likely that Litecoin only topped in 3 waves: A wave, B wave, C wave. And then we have a 3-wave move up of the June low, and it would be heading down. The thing is that this move looks deeply corrective. So if this was an impulse down, I would say, okay, be careful. But it doesn't look impulsive on the way down. It looks corrective. So, but what would happen? What would be the count if it really topped in an ABC? How would we try to understand that? Well, to be honest, it would be difficult. Probably the count I would choose would be that Litecoin topped here in some kind of a wave 4, and we're now heading down then in a wave 5 for probably a new bear market low, and the wave count would need to think about that, but it would probably be a wave 1 to the downside here, and then probably a wave 2 here, and then another 1-2 setup with a third wave now to follow. But it would have to be as part of a diagonal structure, yeah, because this looks too crazy. It doesn't look clearly impulsive on the way down, especially this move not. So we need to think about that seriously. It is tricky, I can tell you that. That's why I'm currently in favor of it being a corrective count as a triangle. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, what else could it be? It's it's difficult. This would need to be some kind of a wave 4. I mean, you can never rule out that, you know, you could say, okay, price moved down here to June in a third wave. This is a 4th wave, but it's unfolding as a triangle. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, yeah, which would be the wave 4 here, and only then it breaks down in a 5-wave move, in a wave 5. So yeah, there are always bearish options. The question is, are they likely now, and do we have any evidence for that? At the moment, I don't. So if I zoom in, price is currently moving higher off that swing low. We are approaching next resistance, which is around 78.90. Would expect some resistance here, yeah, in this region here. Let me add. Where are you? Here there should be some resistance, probably starting around 77.70. Well, we are now basically there already. There should be some resistance here. Yeah, if it can push above it, then I think we have a good confirmation that we're now unfolding in the first wave, in an A wave of the D wave. What would be a target? I can't really give you a target for the A wave. We don't have enough structure, but I can give you a rough target for that D wave of the triangle. To be clear, the D wave is a corrective wave as per definition, and it would unfold typically as an ABC structure. Now, target-wise, we would expect for this D wave the range between the 38.2 FIB extension, the 61.8 FIB extension, so between $85 $194. That's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.